Hi, this is John on behalf of ExpertVillage. In this video clip, I'll be talking about circular saw use and care. Before you make your cut, you always want to secure your workpiece with clamps or some other practical type of method to secure it. You never ever want to use any part of your body as a sawhorse, especially your leg, because when you make that cut, it's going to go right through your leg. When you're making a cut, you never want to force the circular saw. If it gives you resistance, turn it off. Also, you want to check for misaligned or loose pieces. This guard is just a little bit loose, so I would probably want to tighten that up before I continue.